Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this YouTube channel art. So if you guys are starting to be a YouTuber and you have your own channel, you want to have a nice YouTube channel art. So I did mine like this. Welcome to my channel, because I do vlogs, I do cooking, nails, hairstyles, and weight loss. So I did mine like this. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. So the first thing is you want to click here where the little camera is. And then here is your uploads, your photos. A gallery is the one that YouTube already has. And for the size, it is recommended to be 2560 by 1440. That is the original size. So where I do my design is I go to photojet.com. So once you're in here, this is what it's going to look like, and you're gonna click create design. Once you're in here, there's a bunch of create ones. So these are the popular ones. These ones right here are for any invitations or whatever. And then we have down here the Facebook cover, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. These are marketing stuff, social media header, and social media post, and events, and magazine covers, and that's about it. So right now we're going to do the YouTube channel art. So the size already comes here, so you just click on it. So it's going to take you right here, and the size is already done for you, which is fantastic. You don't have to put anything. So now here, these are the templates. Now these are already come in here. These ones that has a little crown is you have to buy them. So if you have PhotoJet an account, you can, but I'm doing this for free, so I'm not going to do that right now. If you already have a photo in here, you can look for a photo, or you can just look for, like, if your channel is fashion, you're going to click fashion, and these are the fashion stuffs here. But we're going to go with background, so we're going to click background. Now these are the backgrounds I already have, so I'm just gonna do one. I'm gonna do these heart ones. So here we go. That's the background, and then the text I'm gonna be using. Let's use this one. Now we're gonna double click to edit, and we're gonna put welcome to my channel. And now here you can click the font, any font you want. So I like that one, and I'm just gonna pick the size of it. Let's do 72. You can make it big by stretching these out. You can make it big as you want, like that. So mine's gonna be like this right there. And now the property, or the effect actually, is you can do the little glow if you want to do the glow like that. You can do it like really intense, or not like that, not intense at all. You can change the color as well. So you can change, you can do it white. So I'm gonna do that one. Okay, so now that we're done here, it says welcome to my channel. Now we need a clip art of the channel. So we're gonna do, we can do like icon, like social media stuff, or you can do, you know, love, fashion. So right now I'm just gonna do the social media ones. So the social media ones, I'm just gonna put like Facebook in here. So we're gonna do this, and we're going to do like Facebook here, or don't if you don't. Now if you don't like none of that, you click here where the little world is, and you look for like a camera. Or if your channel is all about games, then you can just choose a game background or whatever you want to do. So let's do the photos. You can also look at the photos, and you can type here camera. I think the other ones are too a little slow. Okay, so these are the cameras right here. So I'm just gonna do okay, I'm just gonna do this one right here. So we're gonna click it, and it goes like that. You can move it here and put it right above there like that, and you can just do it like that. Do it smaller, you can do it big like that. And what you can do is do the clipboard, and you can do shapes as well, outline shapes. And we're gonna do this one, and what you do is you can adjust these, which is pretty cool like that. Make it better, make it cute like that, and you can change the color to match the background like that. And do it, let's see, like that. So there you go. See, you have a camera, which means that you vlog, that you do a bunch of stuff in your channel. Let's do like an emoji, like a funny emoji. There you go, there's the emojis. So I'm going to do this one little smiling one, which is cute. And I'm going to put it right here on the side, like that. So there you go. You can change the color of the emoji so it matches the picture. Okay, and then for typing, we're going to do text. And we're going to do add a subheading. We're going to click it, and we're going to put down here, double click to edit. And here I'm just going to do vlogs, fashion, and cook or eating or cooking. Let's do cooking like that. This is all about your channel. You can click that, and you can click this, and right here you can just do the same thing you did the other one, or if you want to do it more fancy, you can, you know, whatever, like that. And we're going to do the outlines, of course, and the glow, because I like it to glow like that. Okay, once your channel art is done and you like how it looks and stuff like that, I know my looks right now kind of weird, but this is just an example. You like it, you like how it looks and stuff like that, you're going to go ahead and download. Now it's important to download as a PNG, so PNG. Do not click the transparent background because that's just not going to work. I tried that once and it completely messed up things, so don't click that. So just click PNG and click download. And download for free now. Okay, so my designs is ready to download. So now it's over here downloading, so show all. Okay, so here's the PhotoJet one. So show in folder. Click show in folder. Okay, so here it is, and now I'm gonna drag it into my images like this. And now we're gonna go back to my channel so we can put the design. I'm gonna put it on for you guys so you guys can see. So we're gonna click here on the little camera, and I'm gonna select the photo from my computer. And I'm going to click, here it is, I'm going to click it, and I'm going to open it, and it's uploading. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my desktop. This is a TV and this is the phone. So we're going to do this one. Now you can adjust to crop it. Now, which is kind of weird because it doesn't really show. So we're going to click select. And it's saving. Okay, so there you go. So this is what the only problems this one has, is that you have to really make this smaller, and you have to make this a little bit smaller, but I do like this one. So what you can do is you can go back and you can look at the channel and make this smaller. So we gotta make the we're gonna take this off. We have to make this smaller like that, and make the outline smaller as well so it fits. Now we have to make this little emoji smaller. It has to be small, like probably like that. And you go back, and this is pretty nice, so I'm not gonna do anything with that. Okay, so I think I like it like that. So now you're gonna click download again. PNG download for free. Show all. Okay, here it is. Show folder, and put it in my images. Okay. And now I'm going to back to the channel, click this little camera, select the photo from my computer. Okay, so let's see. Now we're going to do this one, and we're going to click open. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. Now, of course, this has to be smaller, but you guys get the idea. So this is a really important stuff here, that your channel art needs to be like pretty good tight. You can put a lot of stuff, but you have to be really careful to make these more smaller because it appears just weird. So that is how you make a YouTube art channel, or channel art. So I really hope you guys find this informative. If you guys are new to YouTube and starting your videos, you know, have fun with the channel art. There's a bunch of videos, but I just want to show you how I do mine. And I hope you guys like this tutorial on how to do this. If you guys like this, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I want to hit 200 subscribers. I'm almost there. You guys can see 194 subscribers. Please give me the big surprise that I want to hit 200 subscribers. So push that subscribe button. Also, push that notification bell so you guys won't miss none of my videos when I upload. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.